Hello and good evening to our family, friends, faculty, and of course, my fellow graduates. Some of you may know me as Omar Siddiqui. However, I've lied about my name for the past 6 years. Stepping foot on my middle school campus, it felt like a fresh start, my shot to reinvent myself, to finally feel a sense of acceptance. I vividly recall my 7th grade English teacher asking me how to phonetically pronounce my name, and in an effort to fit in, I said Omar Siddiqui. That is a simpler way to say my name. At the time, I didn't realize how significant this one little change would be. In doing so, I unknowingly silenced a part of myself that deserved recognition and celebration. While I found it easy to express my culture, identity, and values among my family, I often struggled to openly share this part of myself with my peers. I felt a loss of identity as I felt embarrassed instead of prideful of my Pakistani culture. Even in my day-to-day routines, I questioned why I lowered the volume of my Pakistani music on my way to school. It wasn't until my junior year I realized the gravity of my mistake. As my friend and I helped our friends in Club Makaisa, the Filipino club, practice for their upcoming culture show, I witnessed a vast difference between me and them. I watched them indulge in their passions and excitement as they performed Tidingling, a cultural Filipino dance. Instead of hiding their identity, they celebrated it together. And in this one practice alone, I had been inspired. I ultimately realized that I had sacrificed my unique individuality in the name of conformity within the high school environment. Keeping this in mind as I started my senior year, I truly felt proud in expressing my culture, identity, and values. Whether that meant going to a Pakistani Qawwali concert, or no longer ordering Starbucks under the alias Oscar. Class of 2023, Viren, students, staff, Ammi, Abba, and Sana, you've been an imperative part of my identity and high school journey. As we say goodbye to the past 4 years of our life, it is now an opportunity to embrace ourselves and all that stands ahead of us in our new chapter. Stepping into our future is a fresh start for our upcoming endeavors, and I am proud to walk into the future as Omar Siddiqui. Thank you, and once again, congratulations, class of 2023.
Thank you, Omar. Next, I'd like to invite your senior class president, Sofia Padilla, to the stage for her